The BMW 1 Series is one of BMW's top sellers. In 2019, BMW introduced its third generation into the market. Reason enough for us to compare the second generation with the latest one. At first sight, the new model shows a sportier, more dynamic and modern appearance than its predecessor. One reason is the new design language, using few but precise lines. The slanting headlights, optional adaptive and full LED underlining the progressive character of the car. A catching highlight is the significantly grown double kidney. On the M135i, it comes with a mesh design instead of the classic kidney bars. Big air intakes emphasize the athletic appearance of the car. From the side, the new BMW 1 Series shows a flowing roofline and a compact greenhouse, creating a wedge-shaped look. BMW designers also worked on typical BMW brand signifiers like the distinctive shark nose. Not to forget the impressive 19-inch wheels for the first time available as an option. The BMW 1 Series has always shown a striking rear. Eye-catchers are the new taillights. They indicate a two-part L shape and are available with LED lamps as an option. The third generation comes with a distinctly tucked-in greenhouse, which forms a pronounced shoulder and underlines the car's wide stance on the road. Now it's time to check out the night design of both models. A great feature is the door logo projection. Let's have a look inside. The third generation presents a new dashboard design and high-quality materials. Also new is the optional BMW Live Cockpit Professional with fully digital interconnected displays and BMW's operating system 7.0. It provides a significant increase in personalization and functionality, like the gesture control or BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, both available as an option. Hello, BMW.
Hello. What can I help you with?
That makes it very easy to control car functions by voice. Compared to its predecessor, the new BMW interior design language shows all control elements grouped into clean, uncluttered functional clusters. And for the first time available in a 1 Series, a large full-color head-up display. Another first are the M Sport seats as an option. A highlight of the third generation are the translucent illuminated trims. Almost the same size, but more space. The compact front-wheel drive architecture makes it possible. Passengers in the back benefit from a higher headroom of 19 mm and an extra 33 mm of knee space. And while sitting in the back, with the panorama sunroof available for the first time, you can enjoy your ride even more. The all-new BMW 1 Series comes with a highly emotional aero-aesthetic design and state-of-the-art connectivity.